So that was David Willis, based in Washington for us. I have Cornelia Meyer with us today. Familiar face, Chief Executive of the business consultancy MRL Corporation. Cornelia, you work extensively in the Middle East, Saudi Arabia actually. You used to work for BP. The oil industry is a specialism of yours. You work with a lot of these companies. Give us your take on what's happened.
Well, it was very interesting. There was a vast overreaction. Remember, you were actually on air. I saw you on Monday morning saying, "Oh, it's up 20%.
Yeah.
It's now only up 8%." So
that's the price of oil.
That's the price of oil. What we saw is obviously traders always overreact, and what's really important, what was important, is that Saudi Arabia and Aramco came out quickly to say, "Okay, this is when we'll have oil restored." They say they'll have it fully restored by the end of September, and then by the end of November they'll be able to go up to 12 million barrels a day. They have not missed a trick. They have reserves, stocks, crude stocks all over the world, so they can, from those emergency stocks, they can keep their clients happy.
They're keeping their clients happy. The price of oil's come down quite significantly from the 20% leap. I mean, a knee-jerk reaction is expected. Yeah. That's how financial markets work. But what about looking ahead? I mean, how vulnerable are, these oil facilities in the Middle East?
Exactly, and that is the question, and that will be what does the risk premium have to be? Because up to now, everybody forgot about the risk premium, because GCC is nice and stable, but it is in that tumultuous region of the Middle East, and that has hit home. That has hit home. So there will be a risk premium. Only, markets
when you say
are
risk
so
premium, you mean the price of oil will be higher.
The price of oil, there will be a baked-in price
of this happening again.
Of this happening again. But then you look at it, the overall situation is we're still actually oversupplied, to the tune of about 1 million barrels a day.
All right. We'll talk some more about this later, because it's in the news briefing, as well as many other stories.